Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to hide formulas in Microsoft Excel. Like and subscribe to support this channel. Let's get started. To the point, this method will help you hide the formulas so that no one interferes with your calculations or just ruins anything if a lot of people are working on the document. Select the cells in which you want to hide the formulas. Right-click and select Format Cells, then select the Protection tab and put a check mark in the hidden checkbox. Click OK. Next, go to the Review tab, located on the ribbon, and choose to protect the sheet. In the menu that appears, enter the password. Then repeat the same password. The main thing is not to forget the entered password. Click OK. And the formulas in the cells are hidden. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.